Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about basic function idea, like about the graph, how, like all that type of stuff. So, first of all, before we start talking about the different functions, let's just say we need to plot this on a graph, because usually this is how the most functions are going to be like. They're going to give you, basically, just, yeah. So, we're just going to be easy with it. We're going to pick kind of any number, I guess, that we want. For example, we can pick these five, like two up to 2, so we don't have to do huge calculations, if that makes sense. Like, we want to get big numbers. And also, my graph is quite small, so I'm not sure if everything could fit in. However, the main idea is how you do it is you put it like this. This is the x, this is the y, but you can write it, I would write it like this. So -2, so you input the 2 into the x, and then you don't input it here and like try to look for f in a calculator or something like that. Just write the number, so they get from, you'll see, so 5 times -2 -4 -10 -4 equals -14. So this is the answer. So -2 and -14 would be somewhere here. So let's just plot it like, yeah. So like this. And the next number, let's just do 0 straight away. So over here we get 0, so 0 is -4. So 0 is -4. And then let's do 2. So 10, 6. Okay. They don't align really good. What if we picked 1? That's gonna be 1, 1. Okay, so what is the one? The one that's bad is this one. But what is bad about it? Well, this one is the one that's messing it up, so, and I'm trying to figure out why. So 5 times 0 is 0. -4 is -4, 0, so I'm confused why that is. Oh, most likely because, actually wait, let's just check. Okay, yes, look. these three, they do align together, and the reason I think that it's not aligning is because this one is not 14. It's not where it should be, so so it's logical that won't work. But as you can see, oops, to get a straight line, we got the 3, and and they do work out. And then you just do that for whatever numbers you want. Sometimes the exam can give you numbers, sometimes not. Okay, the different types of graphs, the top 4, I would say. So okay, so now let's talk about the linear. And what linear is a normal graph. That's where y is equal x, what we saw pop up. Like the main idea that they both are, like in a way they're equal, however, it's not just x. But I think you get it. And then quadratic is when the y is equal to x that's squared, or like basically double its size. So it's basically a U shape. Like it can go like this, it can go like this. And then the exponential is when it goes like this. It can't go from here. I assume it can go maybe like this, but like this is how it looks. And that's when it's like this, when x is the exponent. And sine x graph is something like this. Like, yeah, and that's when, that's kind of when sine is equal to x. But like so y equals sine x 0. And 0 should be smaller or equal to x. And then x should be smaller or equal to 360. So that's everything. Goodbye.